And I'm live. Testing 1, 2. Me. No singing today. Alright, so putting up the events log. Like this. Oops, hold on. Alright, so events log. That freaked me out big time. I left my other computer on and I had the stream on with the volume up. And I didn't realize once I started streaming, it went off. And I'm like, what's this sound coming? It's coming from my house. I freaked out. Philly's here. Hey, Philly. Alright, continue more outdoor today. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to continue where I left off. Load.
Okay.
Pants off. I don't have a drink yet. I might make one later. But so far, you know what I'm going to do? Hold on. Look at all my PS1 saves. It's so cute. My PS1 saves are amazing. Alright, so this is the save. Alright, I'm gonna move this thing. Edit scene. Edit scene. This one. Can I edit scene, please? No, this one. Let's see. Maybe I can move it like this. Nah, it doesn't look that good. No, let's just leave it there. Alright, so I finished 3 doors last time. That is fantastic. And now I'm gonna continue. Look at this one. I was supposed to jump, but since I fell, we'll go this way. Let's see. Let me put chat up. There it is. There's chat. Just in case somebody decides to speak. Hey, Lord Death! Woohoo! Hello there. Hello to you, my friend. So apparently I need to possess that one on the back. Apparently, but I'm gonna give it a sec. I'm gonna look what's over here. Alright, looks like I'm gonna need to send that Paramite to do an errand. Yeah, okay. Let's go get it. Alright, here we go. Let's go. Do an errand for me. Go, girl. I don't know why I assume it's a girl. I don't know. I think it's cute assuming she's a girl. What's up, babe? Come on. There we go. I love this game so much. Now then. Go through here. We almost there. I think I'm done actually. Just need to pull that lever down, okay. Alright, we're good. Bye! Okay. Is that it? Are we done there? Is it over? Sounds like we're done. Is that it? We finished the door already? Yes, nice. 2 more to go. And we're out of here. I'm gonna take this one. Okay, I see up there I see Paramites. You see them up there? Let's go. And there they are. Ooh. Alright. Now what happens when I hit this? I have a feeling that once I do this, and that's weird because I'm rescuing spirits, thingies. I'm rescuing them. Why do they actually make things harder for me by releasing Paramites? Look. Ah! And leeches! Oh. Oh, there we are. You know what? There's a secret here. I'm gonna attempt it. Okay. Okay, I know what I need to do. Okay. I know what I need to do. Alright. Does it happen again? Can I? No. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna die. That's fine. And I restart it. How weird, eh? By the time I realized what I had to do, it was already too late. Come on, girl, I need to rescue you. Get in there. Yeah! Alright, now. And the well is open. Oh man, one of those again. Oh no, I just realized what I need to do. Nope, that's not it. What do I do? Okay, I need to think. Wow. I'm gonna quick save here so I don't have to do it again next time. I did it! Alright. I'm trying to think what to do next. I know they're gonna die and I know I'm wasting precious time. Okay, now I know what I need to do. Okay. How do I die? That's okay. On purpose. Hold on. They need to be released. There's no other way. Alright, let's go. Oh, come on. No! What am I doing back here? No! Let's try again. What the heck? She died. I didn't do anything. Now what do I do? Nothing. Just suicide. She's not holding on. She's falling off every single time. Oh, bug. Found a bug in the game. Found a bug in the game. What do I do? You can't quick save when you're hanging on the web, apparently. Look. Dice. Nothing. It's not working. I have to restart the pod. No, all the way back. Oh. I recommend you restart the whole, yeah. Let's go. That's what I'm gonna do. That's weird that you couldn't load the quick save though, huh? So... Okay, we made it this far. Quick save. Now this. Oh, I need to talk to them. That's what it is. I need to talk to them. Alright, let me exercise the commands real quick. Controls. More. Stop it. Work. Work is L1 and 0. L1 and 0. So, hello. Work. I need to use the... I can use all here, actually. So I can go... Let me try that. Alright, come on. No! I'm too fast. I want to do this. I want to do this. I don't care what it takes. I'm going to do this. Need to be very fast. So, after you give them a command, they forgot they were talking to you. So you need to say hello again. Ah! So, let's go. I did it! So now if I jump in this well, I'm not gonna end up outside again, eh? There we go. Woo! And now, oh, I became one of them. And out. Let's go. Last door, and then we do the run. The run. Is it gonna be a hard one? Come on. Don't give me a hard one. I'm scared. I'm gonna go away. I'm gonna see what's what. You know what? I'm gonna continue running this blindly. I forgot what happens. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it blind. No! That's not what I had in mind. That's fine. There we go. Hey, Julian! Hello, Julian! My day is going great. How about yours? How are you, my friend? Oops, I fell. Okay, so it's time to do the run. We finished all the doors. Nice. Out. Is it through here? Yep. Here we go. The run. Here we go. Uh-oh. I can't catch a break! Look at that! I'm so good. Ah! So close! I did it. Wow. Alright. Now I need to make a run for it. Oh! So close. So close. He didn't jump. I pressed it, but he didn't jump. Now he jumped, you see? Oh! Again, I did press duck. Are you kidding me? Yeah, I love the music. Yeah, I love the music. It's fantastic. I'm not gonna do this. Ooh! Did you see that? I did it though. going back to Soulstorm, I think. Whoa!
Guys, weirdos, whatever you are, did you know that the Gluckins are using your boats to make Soulstorm brew?
Of course we do. That's why we need you.
What could I do?
You shut down Rupture Farms. You can shut down the brewery too.
You want me to shut down Soulstorm Brewery? Okay, I'm afraid.
Don't worry. We can give you powers. Yes, Darren powers. Yeah.
You sure about that? I've been through this before. Back when I got the power to shut down Rupture Farms. That's when I first saw the creatures of Oddworld as they used to be. Before we chopped them into tasty treats, we had forgotten our past, and now it was costing us our future. And even our souls.
Come on up. No and improved.
Well, what is it?
Don't think. Drink. Ah, come on. Do it.
Okay. At first, the Gluckins gave their brew away. Oh, tasty. But once the Mudokons started drinking it, they couldn't stop. Then those Gluckins told them that if they wanted to work, they could have all the brew they wanted.
Only if you got a job.
They fell for it.
Step right up. Oh, I love his job. Step right up.
So now, the weirdos want me to destroy the brewery, but I gotta save the Mudokons there first. And I just got the power to heal Mudokons sick from brew.
Freaking Windows notification made me jump. Stupid. I hate Windows notifications! Go away. It's like, oh, restart is required. I just switched you on. Anyway, thank you, Lord Death. So, let's go. I love the cutscenes. They're so good. They are so good. They aged really well. Okay, we're done. We're healing them. Here we go. 1, 2.
Follow me. Where?
I need to rescue them now. Hold on. There they are. There's the birth portal.
Follow you. Follow me.
I love doing this. How many have I rescued so far? 56 out of 300. That's not good. Alright, more cutscenes. Let's go. I love this part. Oh, please insert this too. Oh no, what am I gonna do? So this is how it's done. Switch discs. Disc 2. Yes. Hey, Vladimir, welcome! Look at this, Vladimir, check this out. This is so good. This is so good.
Alex is gonna be pissed. First Rupture Farms, now Necromines. If he ever comes back, we're screwed.
Where you two see problems, I see opportunity. Now it's our turn to take over.
Screw you, Ashlick. You ain't running nothing.
Now, gentle Glucks. Let's not argue over who gets what.
Hey! I got a career to consider. What are we gonna do about it? Huh? What? I don't know, a panic?
No, you idiot! We're gonna lock this place up so tight that Ape Guy'd have to be invisible to get in.
The cutscenes are so awesome. Love them. Okay, there's I'm not so sure about this one. I think this one takes me to the Slick Barracks. Yep. I think. Alright, let's do this. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Yeah, they're gonna look fantastic in the remake. They just issued they just announced the official plush. Okay. The plush is for no! For Abe and Munch. I was gonna buy one, but it's 25 euros. Ouch! 25 euros for a plush? No, I'm sorry, I'm a big fan of Oddworld, but I'm not gonna buy spend 25 euros on a plush, I'm sorry. Whew, that was close. Try again. I'm gonna do this now. That's fine. He's gonna keep running. He calmed down. Oh, man, the plushes are good, but the price is too much. Is that again? Okay, there you go. No, it's not about taking too long. I don't mind taking too long, but 25 euros is too much. Too much. I'm sorry, but it is. It doesn't cost 25 euros to make a plush. This is not gonna be easy. Maybe I'll just make a run for it. I'm trying, but it's not working, my strategy. I'll try something else. Oh, come on! So close. Seriously? We've actually made some sweets or like that, like pies or cakes or whatever. I won't eat them, especially if they made like something that looks like a Soulstorm brew bottle or something. I would never open it. Like when I went to Universal Studios in Hollywood, I bought Duff beer cans, but they actually contain like some sort of energy drink, but I never opened it. It's on my shelf. I have like a can of Duff beer, but it's actually an energy drink. And it's cool. I did this. No, seriously? I'll just make a run for it then. At least I rescued a few more. Okay, well at this place I'm gonna go pee. I'll be right back.
The Magog on the March. News you need. Our main story. To prevent the renegade terrorist Mudakin known as Abe from possibly destroying Soulstorm Brewery, the main security gates can only be opened by direct order of high-ranking executives General Drippick, Vice President Eslick, and Director Flegg. If you have any further questions, please feel free to pull the lever to your right.
Okay, back. He said feel free to pull the lever to your right. Let's do that. Nice try. Love it. Oh, my favorite part. There we go. Actually, I hate this music. I think this is the only music I hate from the whole game. This music right now. Possessing a fart. Ooh, one got away. The cheater. No farts. I would like one of those signs. Oh, I wasted an entire fart. That's not good. There's no way for me. Oh, this is not good. Ah. It's meant to sound like that, yes, like a lobby or a station, yeah. At least I made it easier now for myself. At least a teeny tiny bit. Actually, I'm gonna try. I don't think I can do this though. Ah, no. Now run, buddy, run! Oh. Oh no! Ah! Alright. I have a better idea. I have a better idea. I wasted it again. I was trying to get both of them. Let's try this. I did it. I don't know how, but I did it. All my life playing this game, I keep thinking, I don't know how I did it. I don't think I did it the right way. So satisfying. Now then, where do we go first? Let's check out upstairs. Rubies. Capture farms out of service. And there's a little Easter egg for Viker's lab as well here, look. Somewhere here should be a Viker's lab. I don't know. Uh-oh. The fart is turning red. I think we're good to go upstairs. So I'm gonna check out the employees only first. Hold on, what's this? Forgot. I have to do that then, okay. So that's it. So let's start with Boneworks first. Sorry, Slick Barracks, I'm saying Boneworks. Slick Barracks. Let's go to Slick Barracks first. I think it's the hardest area of the entire game. Hey, Doug! Hello, hello. Today I'm playing some... Well, continuing where I left off. I'm doing some good progress. Look at all those legs! That's why I got invisibility. Let's go. You're gonna run like crazy. 1, 2. Come on, get up there! Thank you. That's a tricky jump. Aha. Ah. And this is how the slaves get up ledges. They cannot fly, so they do this. Ooh. No! That's okay. I got a vending machine also. I like to do the laughter. I have to jump down. If I'm right, if you're using you could press F5 for instance quick save. No, I'm not using an emulator. I'm running this on the PlayStation. PS3. Little shortcut. Oops. I double clicked. Alright, are we there? Are we getting the train now? Train time? Yes, train. Goodbye. I love the train. It's fantastic. We're gonna get the slick music, the slick barracks music. I love it. Here we go. I think it's the hardest part of the entire game. And I have to start from it to get it over with. And then I find Boneworks to be more relaxing, more abandoned. This is not easy. No, that's not how it's done. No. Wow. I don't think I can jump because of that little thing. I think I'm gonna hit my head if I try jumping. I used the magic of the magic of screen switching. It is hard, eh? Alright, the moment I pull that lever, I'm gonna bring down this leg. Like one step this way. So pull the lever one step and up. Wow. Ooh, wow. I thought you saw him. Oh, no, he did. You know what I'm gonna do? This guy gave you a heart. Oh, never mind. Oh no! I pulled the lever by mistake. Can I get up here? No, it looks like I can't. I have to do from the other side. Okay. Need to be fast. Gotta go fast! There we go. Is that guy in the room not gonna turn around? I have to spam it. Yes! I just made things easier for me. Uh-oh. Oh, I think I got one. That's awesome. No, that didn't work. Yeah, check that! Sucker! Oops. Okay. Ah. Have you tried Little Nightmares? I heard about it. I read, but I'm not gonna try it for now. For the time being. Oh. How do you go blue? This is blue. I love it. Okay.
Follow me.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay. Follow me. Okay. Hi. Hi. Sorry. Okay. Follow me. Okay. Hi. Hi. Sorry. Okay. Follow me. Okay. Follow you. Follow me. Okay. Work. Follow you. Follow me. Okay. Follow me. Okay.
Let's go. 65 so far. Ah, more doors.
The Magog on the march. News you can't abuse. General Drippick declares martial law. No mamby-pamby Mudaki meat puppet is gonna make me look like a fool. We'll have that traitor Abe in no time. Or my name ain't,
That's Drifting, sir.
Drippick. I knew that. I knew that. Brought to you by Mullock's Maplu. Say it, don't spray it.
Alright, let's go. No. I have to spam. I have to keep spamming the quick save. I don't know, otherwise I don't feel safe. Alright, so. Hey, Beaver! Hello. I'm already carrying a bomb. I didn't know that. So tough. Here we go.
Hi. You will follow me. Okay. Wait.
Find a way how to do this. Oh! They're depressed. I have to get up there. No! Killed me. Try again.
Sorry. Hi. Sorry. Okay.
I did that so at least I can pause safely right now. Uh-oh. Oh, you pressed again.
Follow me.
No!
Oops.
Well, at least they only killed 2. Is he not coming?
Follow me.
You don't want to be rescued?
Follow me.
Welcome back, Julian! Welcome back, buddy. We're gonna do this. Oh yeah! I like to leave a fart before I leave the room. A little souvenir. Remember me by. To remember me by. Sometimes I cannot say words. To remember me by. A fart to remember me by. Alright, here we go. Oh my goodness. The slick barracks are the worst, huh? Look at this. Okay, I made it this way, but that's not what I had in mind. This is not gonna work. I need to walk. Ooh, that was so close. There's another one. And that is why you quick save. That's not good, Julian. No, this is not good. Oh man, really? Come on, game. Midna! How are you? It's coming, huh? Another shiny giveaway, I promise. Another shiny giveaway is coming very soon. Oh, goodness, I cannot do this. It's coming very soon, I promise. Oh man, this is impossible. This is impossible. No more sick. That's great to hear. That's great to hear. This is not good. Ah. Wow. I did it! There we go. Whoa! I need to bring this guy with me, I think. Not sure how, but let's do it. Whoa. You're also depressed, really?
Hi. Where? Hi.
I cannot approach him properly. Jump again.
Sorry. Okay. Wait.
I have to try something. I don't know if this is gonna work.
Hi. You will follow me. Okay.
You see, sometimes when you walk out of the screen, I don't know. Let me get the other elevator.
Hi. You will follow me. Okay.
Whoa! What? 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 No! This will take a while. Here we go. That's one. Like a pro. Hey, Red! Hello, Red! This is not good. I'm so good. I am so good. I didn't even fail one.
Hi.
Hi.
Sorry. Okay. Follow me. Okay.
There we go. Oh, so close. So close. Oh! What? What? Did you see that? What? It blew up, but it didn't kill me. The guy with the gun killed me. The slave. That was so good. Let me try it again. See if I can pull that off. Let me see. I did it! Why are you doing this? That was a glitch. That was close. That was so close. This is the way out, I think. Oh, I need to get the zebra beast for sure. 1, 2. 3 bombs is not a joke, huh? Until you get the rhythm, that's all. Now. This is the rhythm of the night. Of the bomb. Okay. Hold on. Easy now. Easy now. Okay, follow me. Come on. Oddworld filled with... Oh, you. Alright, I'm going... Wow, this is so hard. Ah! I don't know how I did that. And I have to move them from one side to the other. From one elevator to the other. That's impossible! No! You're going commando. You're not wearing your pants either.
Oh yeah, hello. Follow me. Okay.
Whew. We did it!
Stop. Follow me. Okay.
Yes, getting the power, we're getting the power. I've got the power! Look at me, I'm a beast. I love it. Let's do this. I love that power. You know, it would be a good challenge. Get through it without the Shrike. That would be fantastic. Okay, door number 2 is down. If I can get out of the Slick Barracks today, it would be awesome. Get your pants. Look at that. Get your pants. Uh-oh. No. Better kill me before they come back. They killed me. Wow, it's like he's ready for me. What does this do? Huh. See if I can lure him down. He's not coming. So what I'll do is there we go, gotcha. I'm gonna check what's over here real quick. Here's nothing. Up here. far as I'll go. Come get it. Come on, sucker. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Come on. And it's done. So that's B. Did I open A? Did I open A? I don't think I did. Where's A? I didn't open A. There it is.
Oh yeah, hello, Obi. Okay.
McKnight! Hello, Mr. McKnight. How are you? I'm playing some Abe again. I don't want to finish. No! Oh, I thought I died. Alright, I need to be careful. Gotta jump from a higher ledge. Up there. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Hold on. Hold on a secundo. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Anybody in the next 30 minutes can join. You're all welcome. Alright, so the moment I pull this lever, let's get out of here. C and D, they're still closed. Where do I open them? That's not gonna work. No. No, not gonna work. No! Ah! I'm such a noob. Hey, V4! V4! V4, are you on my Discord, V4? I don't think you are. You can... No! You distracted me, V4. Look what you did to me now. You made me dead. I have to do the jumps again. Oh! Oh, come on, really? This game is so sweet. It's about pants. It's about pants. What echo? What echo are you hearing? Are you hearing like the game repeating twice? Oh, this is not easy. Oh! Whoa! It's gonna get easier the moment I pick it up. Actually, it's not. He's gonna hang. I know it. Whew, I got it. Whew, Gideon! Hello! I haven't seen this in ages. Echo, echo. What echo are you hearing? Like the game repeating itself? Is that what you're hearing? Define echo. Do you guys hear any echo? Because V4 says. There's echo. Let's just make sure I'm gonna throw this correctly. No! Kill me! Kill me! Like when it goes dark and quiet, do you hear anything? Like the game has like a very particular soundtrack, like noises. Not again. It's not working. I need to find a way to throw this correctly. Yeah, I think V4 means the soundtrack, because it is very clingy clangy, the soundtrack. So maybe that's. No, kill me. I need to do this. Maybe. No, still nothing. Come on, I need to find a good way to throw this. What if I do this? What? How then? Yes, Gideon, everyone's welcome. Yes, that's why I posted it publicly. What? Why are you shoot? Why you shoot? I'm just throwing the thing. Ah. I said the right vote command, but it's not working. That tells you that you can gamble your pants points by doing exclamation bet, and then the amount, and you know how it works. You've been on other streams. There we go. Booyah! Booyah! Everything just got easier now. Everything just got easier. Okay. I has an idea. Oh, come on, seriously? Come on, I'm getting angry now. Oh, come on. It's not working. I'm not getting the right aim. That's it. That's the problem. Finally. These guys without pants, like help! I need pants. Let me share something. So I possess them without pants now. I'm gonna blow them up. Because they're a serious threat once they get their pants. Still? Alright, that would be fun to play around with this guy. You see, they don't have any legs, they're just walking on their hands or something. I don't know. They're just two hands, a head, and a tail. That's so cute. And then they can get legs now. Look, they get their pants. Get your pants. There we go. Now they have legs. Hold on a sec. There's more doors down here. I haven't been to CND, right? Right? Nope.
Oh yeah. You follow me. Okay.
Well, I mean, they can get pants, but I just don't let them. Because if they get pants, they can become dangerous, so... They're very harmless without pants. Come Last one. Okay, this is not good. I need to make a run for it. Oh, I can just stop him. Hold on. There we go.
Follow you. Hi, you. Follow me. No, no.
No. No. I'm doing great, Gideon. Thank you so much for asking. How about you? You doing well? There we go. And we're out of here. Out. Out, out, out. Check this out. Oh, and one more door. I thought I was done. Okay, number 4. Entry number 4. What does this say? Entering the trophy room is against regulations. Slapping ghost traps is against regulations. Releasing Hodakins is against regulations. All violators will be shot, then confined to this stockade. Oh man, that challenge was a fire. I can do worse than that. I just went easy on myself, to be honest. I can do better than that. Maybe next 2,500. Alright, this is not easy. Whew! That was... Now then. Uh-huh. Alright, I think I know what I need to do. Come on. No, stop hitting them. I think I can do this. No! Well, he killed my Abe. Oh no. That's fine. Oh well. Let's cheer these guys up.
Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Hi. You. Okay. Where?
That's it. Okay, good.
What?
Oh yeah. You will be. Okay.
Come on. 90. That's not even 1/3. Not even 1/3. You know what? Let's get another invisibility. I don't know. I think it wears off by the time I switch rooms, but let's just play it safe. You can make a song out of all these sounds. I know, right? Come on. Come on. We're not done yet. This is not good. Alright. Run, buddy, run! Okay, I'm getting the hang of it. I think I know what I need to do. Okay. Such an urgent concept that you can possess the enemies. I love it. No, don't freeze me. I love that laugh. I have to blow myself up. But at least I got a vending machine of these guys. I can get as many as I want. Let's go. I'm gonna rescue a lot now. No, don't you freeze me. Well, glue each other together. I'm still happy. Let's dispense another one. He will try to get inside, isn't it? Anybody else? No, we're good. No. Don't you dare shoot these guys. Come over here. Come shoot me. Alright, we're good. Whew. Alright, so.
Oh yeah. Hi. Follow me. Sorry. Where?
Go, my friends. Go! How many have I rescued now? No billboards, no boards, scoreboards. There's a board here. 95. And there's a secret area here apparently. Is it here? Here? Is it here? Oh, there we go. save the homies. Uh-oh, not good. Oh man, this is so tough! This is so tough! Oh my goodness! I remember this. I don't think I'll make this. I don't think I'll do this. So hard. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oops. There we go. Messed up already. Try again. I'm gonna try a few times. This is quite the challenge. I want to try this, but... Alright, here we go. Oh, it's impossible. I have to fly around those things. It's crazy. It's crazy. I have to fly around the pathway. And it's not easy to maneuver, the guy with the helicopter. Well, nothing is easy to maneuver in this game, really, but I'm gonna try a few times and flood you with trust. Little quick save right here. Let's go. Oh, so close! Let's try again. I'm doing progress. I don't know if I can take a breather when I get in there. We'll see. No! Impossible! I need to squeeze through that hole with the helicopter. It's not easy, yeah? I challenge myself to do this. Come on, buddy, come on, run! Fly, or run, whatever you want to do. Okay, they blew up. Did you guys see that? They blew up without destroying me. I did it! Alright, so now what? I'm gonna quick save here. I don't care. Oh, okay. So what happens now? Switch this off. And... What the heck? What? No! No! Did you see that? The bomb just closed my path. There we go. I did it. Like a pro. Dios mío. Did it. Like a pro. GG 100%. Nice. That's just the bomb, not smart bomb. Alright, so now I'm not so sure if we're done. Because you're like, yay, I did 4 stages and 4 doors, which means I unlocked the door. Am I out of here, or am I gonna go through a room that says 5, 6, 7, 8? Let's see. Because sometimes they do that. No, we're out. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to infiltrate their boss's office. We're going to possess their boss, pretend to be him, so he can release the gates. I love this music. What am I supposed to do? Oh, there's upstairs as well. Oh. No. No. Yeah, one of the best songs. Yeah, that's right. Is Dada here? Yes, there's Dada! Dada! Da 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 da. 41 pants. I don't know how many pants I have. My chat is not even open. I'm looking for like a display that displays the chat. So I don't really have chat showing. Chat showing? I can read chat, but I cannot type in it. It's like a viewer what I have. Alright, at least that guy cannot get me. I thought he could get me. How do you gamble? It's bet. Bet, B-E-T. Oh, come on, game! Come on, game! Because I thought the flip coin was too long as a word. Gamble was too long of a word. Bet, BET is quick. That's what I don't know, that's just me. Dada keeps losing in every stream that I'm in. He keeps gambling away his points and he keeps losing. You just finished Code Veronica on PS4. Well, you just finished Code Veronica on PS2. It's on PS2. It's the PS2 version. I'm so annoyed. I really expected the PS4 version. It's not a PS4 version. It's not. It's a PS2 version. It's like me saying I'm playing Exorcist on the PS3. It's not the PS3. This is the PS1. You know what I mean? No? Okay. Alright, so, get your pants! I like that, look at that, get your pants! Don't get up, don't get up. If they get up and they take their pants, I'm in trouble. Oh! No, no, no! I told you I'm in trouble once they get their pants. Yeah, the PS3 port was awful because they told us it was a HD remastered blah blah blah, and it wasn't. It was just as bad. It was still the PS2 version. It wasn't optimized. Oh, I ruined it. When's the next game with True? Yeah, good question. He needs to be available. And it's funny because there's like a 9-hour difference between me and him. I am in touch with him. I mean, we are in constant touch. Trying to make plans. But yeah. As soon as we can do it together, we'll do it. Maybe this week, I don't know. Here we go. I need to get the thing. Haha! Oh man, this part. I love these robots. But they're one hit kill, huh? Well, I mean, like everything else. No! Have I not quick saved in a while? The Vlogibot died. No, I think if you just checked your points. If you just check your pen, you cannot check them so often, I think. That's what it is. I think you can only check them every 15 minutes, I think. Should I fix that? Make it every 5 minutes, perhaps? I'm just trying so that people don't spam really. Let's see, settings, configuration. Allow for balance check I did every 10 minutes. Let's shrink that down to 5. Save. Well, let's make it 2. If it gets annoying, I'll switch it to 5. I don't know. Alright, I switched it now. It should be okay. Continue. Oh, we're good. We are good. We are good. Let's do this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. And give me the while you're at. I don't even know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. How do you give points? Now you got me curious. Enable reward. Amount? Command. But how do you do it? It says enable, but how do you do it? Rewards? Amount? I don't know how it's done. A rank under 4 hours. Nice, GG. GG. I was gonna buy it, but like, you know what? I'm not gonna buy it. Do it! Do it! I don't even know how to do it really. I wanted to try. He's their boss. You know what I'm gonna do? Oh man, I messed up. No, I messed up. You're happy you're on this. What did you have? Did you have like a fever? Actually, you shouldn't be telling me. No, it's not my business. It's not my business. I'm nosy. I tried to make conversation, but all right. So let's possess him. Oh, King Tim is here. Hello, King Tim! Oh, that's not good. I'm glad you're feeling better. It's not a joke. I love doing that.
Come here. Come here. Help. Come here. All of you. Come here. Help.
I'm confusing the other commands.
Come here. Come here. All of you. Come here. Come here. Help. All of you. Come here. Help. All of you. Come here.
No, I killed him! Nah! Oh yeah, I heard you saying that in another chat. Yes. I think it was another stream. Yes, that's fantastic, huh? I don't have an original Xbox. I collect consoles, but I still don't have an original Xbox. So, good one. GG. Oh, Dada won. He won some points. Alright, let's try this again. Basically what we're doing. Oh no, I boo-booed again. What happens if I get out of here? I can't. There's nothing I can do. So basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to get the chief of this department to unlock the main gates, to disarm the main gates. So we're trying to possess him and go through security. Pretending to be him, basically.
Do it. Come here. Come here. Help. Come here.
Yeah, it's it is quite
Come here.
bad. I hated the gas scene.
All of you. Come here. All of you. Come here. What? Do it. All of you. Come here. All of you. Come here. All of you. Come here. All of you. Come here.
I'm trying to clear the area from the slaves, as many as I can, so I don't have to deal with many of them.
Help. Come here. 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 Do it. Come here. Do it. Come here. Do it.
Here we go. We're gonna make the phone call now. We're gonna make the phone call so they disarm the main gates.
What? Do it.
I love this part. He's gonna forget what his name is, look.
Hey, this is,
Drippik.
Drippik! Open the main gates, a door!
Gotcha. Right away, sir. Let me see. What button was that?
That's so good. You forgot his name. This is, he goes, Drippik. I find that hilarious. Alright, we're done. Out of here. No! Can you imagine if I didn't quick save right before I jumped? Oh, come on, game, come on, not this. This is cheap. There we go. Out. Okay, we're at 97 rescuees, escapees.
Oh yeah. Follow me. Okay.
105. We're back in the lobby with the bad music. Have to do this over and over again. Okay. I think it's time to go to Boneworks now. I like Boneworks. Structure Farms is closed. Sleep Barracks are closed. Okay, just Boneworks then. That's the Vickers Lab, eh? Yeah, that was a little teaser for Munch's Odyssey. Apparently Vickers Lab was meant to be included in Munch's Oddworld Abe's Exodus, but they didn't have enough time, so they just scrapped the whole idea. Because they had to release the game by December. So they scrapped the whole thing. Alright, let's go Boneworks. Baby doggies. Baby slugs. Not doggies. Visit Boneworks, where the magic begins. Employee of the week. Uncle Aslix. Right, so now what? I know what I need to do. Let's go backtrack again. I wouldn't say so. Next time we see Vickers Lab and Apes. Well, in other words, Soulstorm is going to be around 2018, I think. Actually, I should play Munch's Odyssey. I never finished that game. Never finished lunch. Shame on me. There we go. This is how it should be done. What? Oh, the bones! The bones, not the fart. The bones I need to get. Okay. Ah, that is very cheap game. That is so cheap. Yeah, I agree, Lord. That's why I never finished it, actually. I lost interest. I just lost interest. Shall I go for this one? See where this takes me? Let's go. Ooh, come on! Oh. You know what? I don't feel like doing this one. What did you think of Stranger, Lord Death? I never finished that one either. I'm like halfway through the game. Ah. You see, I threw away one and I got 9. Railroad crossing. Okay. Can I do this without the help of any bones? Looks like I cannot. I was gonna say I can, but... Oh, seriously? Not all of them went for the bone. Come on, game. Come on. Ah, yeah, that's right. Okay, the little one's over there as well. How do I do this? No! I rolled too soon. I heard that the ending was really good when it comes to Stranger. Alright, so I did it this far. Now what do I do? Bones I have.
Follow me. Okay. Wait. Okay. Sorry. Where? Hi. You will follow me. Okay. Wait. Okay, work.
Why is it locked over there? What am I missing? Oh, come on. Oopsie. I don't know why I threw those because I didn't. Oh, hold on. Now I know. Okay. I just realized. So.
Hi, you will follow me. Okay. Wait. Okay. Hi, you will. Work. Hi, you will follow me. Okay. Wait. Okay, work.
There we go. The lever opened now. It's now accessible. Out. Lever, please! Alright. Okay, done. So.
Follow me. Okay. Wait. Okay.
There's the one up there. I know about it.
You follow me. Okay. Wait.
There's not any more left, eh? Let me just check. 109. Good, we're doing good. Yay, back in the train. Off to Boneworks. I love this music in the Boneworks. And I love the atmosphere. It's like so abandoned and destroyed. More TV. Let's do this.
The Magog on the March. News you can use. Director Flegg reports bone production down. Ow!
It ain't my fault. It's that Abe guy. First Rupture Farms, now Necromines. There ain't no bones anywhere. No bones, no brew. I am totally screwed. My career is over. And it's all that blue bastard's fault.
Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Brought to you by Scrap Cakes. They'll cost you an arm and a leg.
Brought to you by Scrap Cakes. That cost you an arm and a leg. I love it. Oh, I'm gonna need some help here. Okay. Hey, would you like to help me, buddy? Would you like to help me? Yes. Help me.
Hi. Hello. Follow me. Okay.
No! They usually stop in front of... Oh man, you stupid boob. They usually stop in front of things they can work on, like levers and valve handles. They usually stop. He just kept on walking. And if they do keep walking, sometimes they stop at the edge. You booblet. And that's all that blue bastards for. So good, isn't it? The cutscenes are fantastic. They aged very well, I think.
Follow me. Okay. Wait. Okay.
Haha! Hello, Saranya. Hello. Welcome. Hey, say hello to Saranya. There you go. Maybe this one's not that bad. I wanna try. Where do I go? There we go. Maybe it's not that hard. We'll try it. We'll try it. Ah. Ooh. Whoa, this is awesome. This is awesome. I want to try this. This looks good. Oh, I have to run. That's okay. I have to run. I have to run. Oh no. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. No, I have to go on the other side now. Whoa, man, this game. Whoa, I have to run the other side. So. What happens now? Okay. Okay. What? I don't teleport when I step on these. That's not good. That is not good. No problem. Blow up. Blow up, blow up, blow up. Yeah. Yeah. Die. Have a great time. Clear the area. Oh no, I'm out here. So what am I supposed to do? What do I do here then? This is weird. Oh, I know. Okay, I know. Wow. Hang on, what does this do? It's probably take me out of here though. Take your time, Junior. He says freeze, but he doesn't follow me. And I don't like that. How am I gonna do this? Duel is gonna take me out of here probably. Oh, I know what I did. I know what I messed up. Okay, kill me. He stayed on the ground. Alright, I know what I need to do. I tried to teleport myself. I tried to teleport the snakes, trying to step on those switches. I forgot that there's a lever over there as well. So... I was wondering if I can actually hurt myself. No, I can't. Alright, so this is not good. This is not easy. I need to figure this out. There we go. Okay, I think we're good. They can't penetrate me from here. Oh, they can! Oh man, kill me now. No. You can't kill me, seriously, come on. There we go. Okay, Lord Death, no problem. I'm about to wrap this up as well. Probably another 30 minutes, I don't know, or less. But I want to do this. I want to do this! Okay, so. There we go. So, now then, I need to be careful. Oh really? You're depressed as well?
Okay. Wait. Okay.
How am I gonna do this?
Sorry. Okay. Follow me. Okay.
There we go. All that just for 2 Modakins. Just for 2. Okay, so where were we? Oh, I didn't pull the lever. Stupid. Oh. Run, buddy, run! There we go. I think there's another secret here. Should I go for it? Maybe it's an easy one. Oh, it's a very easy one. Wow, I'm glad. I need to make a big run jump. 1, 2. Wow. That was worth it. This is quite the ouch. Ooh. 1, 2. Oh, I don't know how I did that. Right. Oh, more mine cars. Nice. This game is so long, I forget certain parts of the game. Uh-oh. Here we go. Yes. And he goes, hee after he kills them. Oh, hold on. 1, 2, 3. I wonder where the door leads. Ah, just gonna go there. Alright, there's no point to that door though, because I already did what I had to do. Oh no! Time to run! Ouch. He blew up with me. No, the same mistake again. No. Oh! How did I do that? I don't know. What's over here? There are like 2 ways I can go. How do I know red? Red comes to my streams from time to time. No! Red comes to my streams. You tell me, is he a good boy or a bad boy? What's he like? Nah, he's okay. Exit no return, Annex 6. I think that's the way out. Over there. So the way of the dogs is probably a side quest or something. I'm gonna check this out real quick. Alright, let's go. 1, 2. Chase me, cookies! Chase me! There we go. I want to check what's over here. Boing. Oh, come on! Ah, he's hilarious. That's good. That's good. I like funny people. Alright, someone is like totally stalking me on Instagram right now. Like, whoa. Ah, okay, this is where it leads. Alright, so. Those farting sounds. I love farting in their faces. Alright, so now what? Getting the ancient Mudakin power of the shrine by kidnapping loyal Boneworks employees is forbidden. Violators of this policy will receive early retirement. Cordially, Director Flegg. I love these signs. That's one. I have to be fast on this one. Whew! Oh man, how am I gonna get you out of there, man? We need to run or something. What am I gonna do? We'll see. No! Oh wow, why did I... Okay, so I barely made it, but then I walked into it. I am stupid! I'll be back, my friend. I'll be back. Let's check out the area real quick. Okay.
Wait.
Oh, I have an idea. I know how to get him down. If you leave the stream, you won't get hurt. That is good. I'm gonna do the same thing with these guys. There you go. You guys stay here. I don't know what's next. No, come back! You're stupid. Ah. Alright, let's see this. This does nothing. Actually... Hold on, I have an idea. Or not. I'm gonna check down here real quick. I love this area down here. Look at this. How cool it looks. There's a secret. Shall we go for it? There's a secret. I'm gonna go for it. 1, 2. Ah! I wonder if it's hard. Oh no, one of these. No, no. What do I do? There we go. That's what I do. No, on purpose. Because apparently I need to quickly disable it or something. Let's see. Wow, that's intense. What the? Okay. Okay, I have to climb up there. I thought I could make the run jump and climb over there. Nope. I have to go up and then jump to the other side. Because otherwise it would be too easy, eh? Let's go. Oh, come on! Come on! Come on, how am I supposed to pull this off? Oh! I pulled it off! I did it! Is that it?
You will follow me. Okay.
No, seriously, how am I supposed to do this? No, as if. Come on. I made it this far. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on! Seriously! Kill me. I don't care. I'm gonna have to guide them one by one. Oh, what? What? Oh, come on! So cheap! Ah! I was wondering why there were others that weren't working. Like, what's the point?
Wait.
Actually, I think I need to go back there. Yeah, I think I need to stay there. But then... Now how am I supposed to do this? Come on! Sakura! Sakura be lurking, I think. I smell a Sakura! No! How am I gonna do this? Come on! Come on! Impossibile! How are you feeling, Sakura? How are you? Did they send you home? They did. Whew. Wow, that wasn't worth it for just one Mudaken. Absolutely not. I have to find a way over there. Right, so.
Oh yeah. You will follow me. Okay. Wait. Okay.
You know what? I will not be reading the comments from Fastbot anymore because I cannot. It's not registering emojis. I'm just getting squares. Alright, so this. Uh-huh. Let's go get the others.
Oh yeah. You will follow me. Okay. Wait. Okay.
Here we go, getting the superpower. Time to be super. Bone production marches on. It has come to my attention that some employees believe that bone work can be shut down by turning off the 5 main boilers. Rubbish! This filthy lie is spurious, reprehensible, and completely untrue. Furthermore, any employee who turns off all 5 work wheels and shuts down bone work will be immediately downsized. I love it. Ready? Set. No! No! I made a boo-boo! I should have gone from the upstairs, from the upper side. Stupid, stupid. This is the first one, you see? That shuts down everything. Well, shuts down everything. I'm gonna shut down the first one. There we go. That's one. We need to turn off 5. It doesn't work. Okay. Oh, seriously? Oh, man. I cannot get any more. Ouch, how am I gonna do this? I can't get up there from here. Oh! Oh my goodness! That shocked me. That really scared me. To do the whole thing again. Oh. One dog made it through. That's awesome. So that's one down. I'll do the 5 of them and I'll call it. Okay. What? Did you see that? Did you see that? That's so weird. It went through the bomb. What the heck? What the heck? Ah, come on. Okay. Oh, come on! I was supposed to throw! I was supposed to throw and he jumped up. Ah! First time, yes, I tried to see if I could do that, but the second time I just tried to throw the ball. Stupid game. Don't you dare do the same thing again. Okay, so it doesn't work through here. We'll find another way around. Oh, come on, more of these. No. Oh, I'm so good with my aim. Oh, I have to make a run jump. Oh, seriously? Oh, nice. Should I risk it? Should I risk it? Oh! I tried. Welcome back, Julian! Am I gonna do this? Let's see. There we go. This number 2 took forever. Number 2. Three and 4. Apparently these two are combined. There's one. Now I go get to the other side. How do I do that? Oh, come on! Come on! Oh, what? He reached me from over there? What? And I didn't quick save one more time. Ah, game. I haven't quick saved again. Speedrun. Oh, seriously? Oh, it's working. No! I went through the door by panic, but I still have one more to switch off. And once again, I forgot to quick save. I'm getting close to raging. There we go. Wow, why did it have to be so complicated? And there's the other one. There we go. Fifth one. I mean, let's go for the fifth one. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh, come on, he didn't jump in time. In time or on time? On time. In time something else. Time traveling. There we go, out. Run! Oh, executive office. We're almost there. My goodness. Boneworks shutdown. Boneworks enemy number 1. Shoot on sight. Uh-oh, that's not the right track. No! What the heck? How did they get me? Whoa! Kill him. Come on! Oh my goodness. It's because of stupid inefficiency of this leg. Alright, so far so good. Come here. So do it. What the heck? They killed me? He shot me. He shot me instead of them. That's why I like having my revenge on these guys when I'm gonna break it. It's getting on my nerves. I finished this and I'm done.
Come in. Come in. Stay here. Do it,
Oh. Oh. Getting angry now. You wouldn't like me when I'm angry?
come in. Come in.
Oh, stupid.
Come in. Do it,
I did it. Oh, actually, you know what? You're failing me so much, stay there.
what? Do it.
This is Director Flag. Yes, sir. Disengage Operation Lightning Bolt. Huh? What? Disarm the main gates. Oh. Do it, you idiot! Oh, gotcha. Oh, there it is. Orders is orders.
Okay, but 30 seconds. 30 seconds! I don't like this. Oh! They're called Gluckins. The aliens. This is all an alien world. This is like they have their own creatures, so original, everything. Oh. Okay, 9 seconds. Oh, nothing. What the heck? I'm not gonna do this. Seconds. I'm not gonna do this. What the heck? How am I supposed to do that? Oh my goodness, this is impossible. And the gas is coming down. is what's gonna keep me from ending the stream. This part right here. Come on! I don't do this. I don't know how it's done. Hold on. Maybe I can switch them back off again? I think so. There we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is not good. What? What? No, 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 no! So close! Come on, I can do this. With 1 second. Never ending stream. I don't think I'm ever gonna end this stream because of this part. Oh! I don't have seconds. I quick saved at the very wrong time. Oh, there you go. I have to restart the path. I have to restart the path because this can't be done. Oh, look at that, so close. It's just 1 second. 1 second is all I need. Oh, I made it closer. I just need to jump into that well. That's it. That's all I need to do. No! I walked two I walked 2 steps instead of 1. I'm doing this. I'm doing this. If there was room to make an extra footstep, there's room to make the jump. Come on. No! What the? Come on, man, you got this. Come on. If I restart the path, I'm gonna have to do the whole thing again. I just slammed the controller on the floor. That's not saying much because I accidentally froze. There we go. I did it.
Follow me.
Let's go. 136. No, I'm not. I'm just very close to the floor. Look, I'm sitting on the floor, so I wasn't really slamming it that hard. do I hear? Where do I go? Is this it? There we go. Alright, so now we're going to Miami. I think next is FICO Depot, I think. Alright, so let's go. Does it blow up if I go through the electrical fence? Yes, it does. Okay. So I switched to off, there's only one more to go. One more. So it's the executive office now, I mean. Oh. Okay, we're good. One more.
The Magog on the march. News you won't lose. Vice President Haslick addresses Mudokon workers.
Those stinking slaves! I mean, my fellow employees. Uncle Haslick's been taking good care of you, right? I love all of you like you was my own, right? But if we don't catch this Abe guy, it's the brew vats for all of you! Now, what are you waiting for? Get back to work!
Message brought to you by Soulstorm Brew. Our spew is your brew.
Alright. So we're going to the FICO executive office now. No! I was supposed to end this stream. I'm gonna do this fine, promise. Just the last part. And then I call it because it's been 3.5 hours and I need to get some rest. Race! Oops. Get up there. What the heck? Oh, I need to do the jump. Are you kidding me? Oh, that's it. Rage quit, that's it. I'm not trying again. That's it. The game is telling me enough. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna save. That's it. That's enough. The game glitched. Listen to that. The game glitched. Anyway, I'm gonna save. Which is this one. There we go. I'm gonna go get some sleepy time. Thank you so much for hanging out, all of you. Thank you so much. I look forward to see you next time when I finish this game. I'm gonna continue some Spider-Man as well. And what else? And some Pokemon giveaway. Those are my 3 next streams for sure. I need to finish Spider-Man. Shattered Dimensions. I need to finish this game and Code Veronica as well. Code Veronica. Thank you so much for hanging out. See you, Gideon. Thank you so much. I'm gonna go, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!